Hey friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much to each and every new subscriber that has joined us. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. So today we are back again in the kitchen, and today we are doing a very interesting video. We are cooking a West African dish. Guess which dish? Guess which one? You're right, fufu. We're going to make fufu. There's a lot of cassava in the freezer, and I was wondering how to cook it. And so I just didn't want to deep fry it. That is one way you can cook your cassava, but I wanted to try something new, something different. So I decided to make fufu. This is already cooked cassava. I know in the West African they are used to making fufu from fresh, like raw cassava, but ours is already cooked, which is okay. We can still do it because at the end of the day we are still cooking it, so which is still okay. And we are making it with plantain. I know these are not good looking plantain, but they are very ripe, and this is their color, so but they are very okay. They're not rotten, guys, please, they're not rotten. This is how plantains looks like when they are ripe. Also, these plantains are from Kenya. Guess which part of the country? Embu. Let's get into the video. And if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, share if you can. If you're watching this from Ghana, from Nigeria, from any West African country, please comment down below and tell me which other way I can make my fufu. Also, I'm praying very much. I've never done this before. I'm hoping that it turns out well. So stick along, and we are going to make this meal with all of you guys step by step. So let's get to the video. Since our cassava was already cooked, I didn't want to cook it so much, so the only thing we were going to cook is the plantain. So let's check. I think it's ready right now, so we are going to drain the water and then blend it. So I've already drained our cassava and plantain, so we are going to leave it for a few minutes to cool down so that we can blend it. Remember, we don't want to blend when it's still hot. We still want to use our blender next time, so yeah, we don't want it to break. Hey guys, it's a few minutes later. I think our it's cool enough for us to blend it. This is how it looks like. I don't know whether you guys said. This is how it looks like. I'm going to add water. So just kidogo water. Okay, just enough. I don't want it to be too hard and again I don't want it to be too soft. Is well blended. If you have a food processor, it's better to use it. I think it's best to use a food processor than the blender. So yeah, but they all work almost the same, but since blender, I think you'll need a lot to keep adding water for it to keep on smoothening. I think this is good enough. Soften it even more. Ooh, it's a lot, and I just used three medium-sized plantains and maybe half or a quarter of, I don't know how to measure that, and you guys saw it. I don't know how to say. It was not a lot. Rini mingi. Hey, you guys. It's so good. I remember I didn't add any. Hey, oh my god. I think it's because of plantain. It's so good. So I didn't add any salt, anything, just boiled it and blended it. So the reason why I put it back here is to see whether it's going to be to try, but I don't think that it's going to work. I don't know. I'm guessing, you guys, but there are no lumps. I think it's too soft. I added a lot of water. It's too soft. Anyway, we are learning next time. Our fufu is soft enough, but I think I made a mistake of putting a lot of water. It's too soft, but it's still going to work. The best part is that it tastes so good. So I'm going to serve this with, wait you guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to serve it with. Just hold on, just chill, because today we are going to Ghana, we are going to West Africa, we must go to Nigeria. My friend, we must travel today. I know we are under lockdown, but today we are going to Nigeria, we are going to Ghana, we are going to West Africa. Wait, I show you what I'm going to serve this week. Are you guys ready? You ain't ready. I'm so proud. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I'm going to serve this with some broth. I made some broth a few days ago. And then this is meat broth, meat yambuzi. So yeah, and we have some meat. So I'm going to warm it up. I am not going to have dinner today because I'm sorted. I'm sorted. This is what it's 3:30. What time is it? It's 3:30. So I'm sorted. I am sorted for dinner. Late lunch and dinner. I am sorted, you guys. Our soup is ready, just like the Western world, you know. A lot of some, you know, a lot of oil. I know that this might not be healthy. So yeah, so the soup is ready. I'm going to now serve. I can't wait to dig in, you guys. I just can't wait. So guys, to ensure that my fufu is round and nice, because that's how it's served in West Africa, I'm going to put it here in this bowl. I don't know whether you guys, this is a bowl. I'm going to put it here in the bowl so that it's nice and circular. And then I'm going to serve it. Make sure that it's just nice and circular and put it on that plate. Let's dig in. Let's taste and see how it tastes. This is so good, and the soup is hot, like it has a lot of chili. Let me show you. It has a lot of chili, so I like my broth hot. So this goes along. This goes so well with fufu. Oh my god, is there a Western African, is there a Nigerian watching here? Is there a Ghanaian watching this? Please go ahead and show me some love. Like this video. We have never been into Ghana, we have never been into Nigeria, but today we have traveled through. I know my fufu didn't come as circular as I would have loved it to. come out. I think I made it so soft. Maybe I added a lot of water. But despite that, it's so good, you guys. I have a new way of cooking my cassavas. If you're Kenyan or if wherever you're watching from and you've never tried fufu, please go ahead and try. Go ahead and try it and come back and tell me how it is. The chili, I can feel it. Thank you. Oh my god, the chili. So hot, but it's so good. I love it. I love it. I feel like I've seen Burna Boy now. Okay, babe. Thank you guys for watching my video up to this point. If you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Please share. Leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up. Like this video. See you next time. But you guys, I'm so proud of myself that I saw something and I tried it out and it didn't backfire. It tasted so good. Like, well done, Kate. Bye guys, I love you. Till next time. Peace. Fufu any day, anytime.